Sneezing, we all do it and we have all seen people do it. We recently talked about some of the myths and superstitions around sneezing. So here are the interesting but true facts about sneezing. Number 1 is speedy experience. Sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Number 2, unstoppable sneezes. Sneezing is an automatic reflex, which means once it starts, you cannot stop it. Number 3, no sleepy sneezes. You don't sneeze when you are asleep because the nerves involved in sneezing are at rest. Number 4, a light sneeze. In some people, sneezes are triggered when they look at the light. This is called ACHOO syndrome. Number 5, a plucky experience. Plucking your eyebrows can also cause you to sneeze because you are irritating nerve endings in your face, which sets off the sneezing reflex. Number 6, sneezing is a full body workout that includes the throat, chest, diaphragm, and abdomen. Number 7, a sneeze has a spray radius of up to 5 feet. Number 8, your eyes will close automatically when you sneeze. Number 9, trying to hold in a sneeze can hurt, like broken blood vessel in the eyes, damaged blood vessel in the brain, and ruptured eardrum. Number 10, a single sneeze can produce up to 40,000 droplets.